three ways to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So what we will do is we'll simply open our settings for the first way, and after opening our setting, we will simply click on notification, and there we will scroll all the way down and we'll search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, we'll click on WhatsApp, and then after clicking on WhatsApp, we have to make sure that our allow notification is turned on and announce notification is turned on. This usually works on Android better, but we can give it a shot. And for the next way, what we can do is we can go on our WhatsApp app. After going on our WhatsApp app, we will go in our settings, and there we will can see chats option. Then we'll click on chat option, and after clicking on the chat option, we will get to see chat backup right there, and we'll click on chat backup. After clicking on chat backup, we'll see that there is backup now. Mine haven't been backed up since today. I mean, mine auto backup is like turned on daily. You can turn on weekly, monthly, but it is better you can turn on the daily one, so your notification or your everything will be backed up daily. The next way what we can do is we can go back and we can search for our Apple stores, and after searching WhatsApp history, there we'll get a lot of apps from which we can easily see deleted message. So here I am choosing for this backup messages of WhatsApp. After clicking on it, you can simply download it and you'll be able to see the deleted messages on WhatsApp. And yeah, that is all the three ways to see deleted messages on WhatsApp.